Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2015 15 plate Audi A5 S-Line convertible. Now this is a nice car, fantastic specification. This has got options that we've never really seen before, or options that you very rarely see. So this is the S-Line model, so more aggressive body styling, front and rear bumpers are more aggressive, nice flared side skirts. We've got headlamp wash, LED daytime running lights. This one has front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Coming through to the wheels, we're riding on lovely 19-inch multi-spoke alloys finished in a lovely sparkle silver. Now I've actually had the pleasure of driving this vehicle and I can tell you it drives absolutely spot on. Now the Ibis white paintwork and the silver wheels are coupled with a jet black hood. So very nice combination there. Looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. You can tell the previous owner was a very meticulous gentleman. We've got the Daytona grey lower diffuser. Looking through to the boot, we've got our original Audi tailored floor mats, obviously split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. We've got the locking wheel nuts set there also. This folds into the roof lining of the boot, and then obviously you've got a lot more storage when the hood is up. Down the passenger side again, panel works nice and straight, paint works in nice order, and then stepping through to the interior is a full S-Line black leather, which looks absolutely fantastic. S-Line embossed. You've got your heated air scarf on this one, which is an option which is very rare. So it blows warm air on the back of your neck. Obviously fully adjustable seats there. You've got comfortable seating for two in the rear. Bit of central storage, rear vents for the full climate control and air conditioning. This vehicle has the Bang Olufsen surround sound system throughout. So you've got little Bang Olufsen speaker decals on the sides, fantastic sound system. You can adjust the bass, the treble, and much more. Heated mirrors, 4 electric windows, obviously central locking. Then jumping inside, what we'll do is we'll start the car up. So this vehicle is supplied with both keys. It's a 6-speed manual, so all you do is stick the key in the ignition and it rumbles into action. So, as we're doing the video here today, this vehicle's only covered 65,678 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. You've got a full leather multifunction steering wheel, again S-Line embossed, part perforated. On there is your voice command, your volume controls, media. You've got your cruise control to the bottom there. What we'll do is we'll close the door, stop the beeping. And then looking through to the center screen, that's all controlled via the center scroll wheel and the buttons in the center. So this vehicle comes with satellite navigation. Just takes a moment for it to load up. Normally it is a lot faster loading. We have just taken the SD card out, and when you first put it in, it does take a while to initialize. But then, as you can tell, the very nice and responsive system. Clicking through to your telephone, you've got your full Bluetooth phone connectivity. You've got a full DAB radio, so all of the extended channels, media, cars, so vehicle settings, driver assistance, air conditioning, servicing and checks. This vehicle's only recently been serviced. So yeah, it takes a second for the SAT NAV to sort of load up and then works superb. Clicking through to menu, you'll find all of the separate tabs in the system. So your tone, you've got your Bang Olufsen sound there, so your bass, your treble, car, information, and much more. Coming through then to the center, you've got your Audi multimedia, which is 2 SD card inputs and a CD. Traction control, parking sensors. So what I'll do is I'll flick the car into reverse, reversing camera pops up, straight away. You've got your front and rear parking sensors there also. Heated front seats. Air conditioning, which is ice cold on this vehicle. 6-speed manual transmission, obviously electric handbrake, all the buttons for the display, electric hood operations, window operations, fully adjustable central armrest. Within there you'll find a 12-volt power outlet. But what we'll do is we'll put the roof on, and I'll show you the car with the roof up. Oh, sorry, that was the window control. So yeah, press on the roof operation. Now this can actually operate up to 30 miles an hour whilst you're driving. Only takes a matter of seconds for the whole operation to complete, and you should hear a little beep at the end, which I've just heard there. So the roof inside is in lovely order. You get this lovely thick mesh, auto dimming rear view mirror, and then coming through to the exterior, I'll just show you the condition of the roof. So jet black hood, as I mentioned before. Looking at the actual condition, that is in superb order. Looking around the rear window, obviously that's heated. But this car, roof up or down, it is a superb looking vehicle. If you'd like any further information on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.